Okay, coming to the next question number 3. What are the advantages of connecting electrical devices in parallel with the battery instead of connecting them in series? Advantages of parallel combination over the series combination we have discussed in the previous videos. You can check it on my YouTube channel. Okay, so that I think you know it very well. So coming to the next question number 4. How can three resistors of resistances 2 ohms, 3 ohms and 6 ohms be connected to give a total resistance of number 1 4 ohms and the second part is 1 ohm. So here we are having the three resistors R1, R2 and R3. Clear? We have to connect these three resistors in such a way that we should get a total resistance of 4 ohms. Now it is your choice whether you can connect in series or whether you can connect in parallel. Okay, somehow you have to check by, or you can say, trial and error method. Clear? But one thing you have to remember, that for decreasing the resistance we have to connect them in parallel, and for increasing the resistance in the whole circuit we have to connect them in series. Okay, as you can see, the first value is 2 ohms, second is 3 ohms and third is 6 ohm. और जो आंसर में लाना है, the total resistance which is 4 ohms. So 4 ohms की जो वैल्यू है वो 2 ohm से बड़ी है, 3 ohm से बड़ी है, लेकिन 6 ohm से छोटी है. Clear? So what you have to do is, you will connect R2 and R3 in the parallel combination, and then this combination will be connected in series with the first resistance R1, like this. This is R1, 2 ohms, this is R2, 3 ohms and R3 is 6 ohms. Clear? So you can check R2 and R3, they are in parallel combination, and then R1 is connected to this parallel combination in a series combination. Clear? So first you will find the overall resistance of these two resistors R2 and R3. So we can consider the equivalent resistance of R2 and R3 as R dash. So we can write first, since R2 and R3 are in parallel combination, therefore the combined or equivalent resistance in parallel combination is 1 upon R dash is equal to 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3, because here the two resistors are R2 and R3 which are in parallel combination. Clear? Now what is the value of R2? 3 ohms, R3 is 6 ohms. So LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Dividing by 3 you will get 2, and here it is 1. So you will get here 3 upon 6. So dividing 3 and 6 by 3, you will get 1 upon 2, and now we can reciprocal both the sides. You will get R dash as 2 upon 1, which is 2 ohms. Clear? यानी कि इन दोनों को जो combined resistance और equivalent resistance है, that is 2 ohms. Clear? Now you can check, ये जो 2 ohms का resistance value है वो इस R1 के साथ, it is in the series combination, or you can check this diagram, it will be like this. This is R1 2 ohms, और इन दोनों रेजिस्टर्स को हटा के हम एक सिंगल रेजिस्टर लगाएंगे जिसकी वैल्यू कितनी होगी, 2 ohms. Okay, means it is just for our supposition, we are just supposing कि अगर हम दोनों रेजिस्टेंस का जो कंबाइंड रेजिस्टेंस है वो कितना आ रहा है 2 ohms है पैरेलल में. सो हमने मान लिया कि इन दोनों की जगह हमने एक सिंगल रेजिस्टेंस लगाते हैं तो वो इस फॉर्म में आएगा हमारा. क्लियर? So it is the form of this figure like this. So it is in series combination, you can see. So this is R dash and this is R1, which is in series. So we have to find now their combined resistance, which you can say as R. Now since R1 and R dash are in series combination, therefore 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R dash. This is R1 and this is R dash. What is the value of R1? It is, sorry. Now since R1 and R dash are in series combination, and what is the formula in series combination? R is equal to R1 and second resistance is R dash. Okay, so what is the value of R1? It is 2 ohms, and what is the value of R dash? It is also 2 ohms. So when you will add 2 plus 2, you will get 4 ohms. So the total resistance is 4 ohms. Clear? So beta, you have to check by hit and trial method. Okay, so it is your choice कि you have to connect them either in series or either in parallel. और जिसमें series और parallel combination दोनों होते हैं उसे हम mixed combination भी बोलते हैं. Is that clear? So you have to check, okay, one by one, by drawing or by solving it numerically. लेकिन आपको सिर्फ 2 points ध्यान में रखने. You have to remember that in series combination the overall resistance will increase, and in parallel combination the overall resistance decreases. Is that clear? Now check the B part. Again we are having the 3 resistors R1, R2 and R3. That is of 2 ohms, 3 ohms and 6 ohms, and we have to connect them in such a way so that the total resistance should be 1 ohms. यानी कि हमें इन तीनों को इस तरह से कनेक्ट करना है कि हमारा जो ओवरऑल रेजिस्टेंस है न्यूमेरिकली 1 ohm के इक्वल आना चाहिए. सो एज यू कैन सी जो 1 ohm वैल्यू है दैट इज स्मॉलर देन ऑल द 3 गिवन वैल्यूज हियर. So that means यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस को डिक्रीज करना है. दैट मीन्स फॉर डिक्रीजिंग द रेजिस्टेंस वी हैव टू कनेक्ट देम इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. सो okay, so you can write this statement over here that to get a total resistance of 1 ohm, we must connect R1, R2 and R3 in the parallel combination. Clear? Now what is the formula for the equivalent resistance in the parallel combination? इसमें हमें equivalent resistance find out करना है. Clear? जो कि 1 ohm आना चाहिए. So by using a formula of parallel combination, therefore 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. R1 is 2 and R2 is 3, R3 is 6. LCM will be 6. Here it is 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 6 upon 6. So when you will divide 6 by 6, you will get 1 upon 1, or 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon 1 means resistance कितना आएगा हमारा 1 ohms. Okay, you can reciprocal both the sides. So this is how you are getting the total resistance. That is your answer is 1 ohm. इन तीनों रेजिस्टेंस को हमें पैरेलल में कनेक्ट किया है. Okay, thank you बेटा.